Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change hair color with Nano Banana. For this, I want you to go ahead and open up Gemini, click here on Tools, and then click on Create Images, and you're able to use Nano Banana as long as you see this icon, and you're using at least 2.5 Flash as your model, or any latest model in the future. Then what I want you to do is just go ahead and drag and drop the image that you want to change hair color for. So drag and drop this one. Then you need to enter prompts. So this is a natural language model, right? Just tell it what you want to be done. So give the person a glossy honey blonde color. The result should be photorealistic with the natural highlights. Okay, so I'll submit this and let me show you some different prompts that you can use. I'll leave these in the description for you. I have different iterations for you in the description that you can go ahead and copy, paste, and use. Let's go back to Gemini and see what it achieved. There we go. We got what we wanted, blonde with highlights, right? And that is how to change hair color with Nano Banana.